party room is like this oasis of fun. It's like the fun zone, but not like, you know, the blow up like bouncy balls kind of fun zone. But like, you know, it's like my version of what fun looks like, because there are all these couches. It's dim lighting. There's candles. Don't tell the fire marshals at the venues. Curtains. We have these tapestry curtains hung up. It's like a tent. And during the day, we all hang out there, and it's just like a living room for us. Because if you haven't noticed, family is a theme. And after the show, it becomes where we'll take some of the most spirited fans, the ones with the most amount of spirit. My mom or people from my organization will be scouting for them all throughout the show.
There are some girls that they have like the neon rings, they have the glow sticks like wrapped all around their bodies, up there.
So when they see someone who's absolutely going out of their mind, or just someone, maybe the shy girls over there that they just, you know, they've got my t-shirt on and they just look like they might want to say hi after the show. There are all different ways of them picking people, but it's all very, very sweet, and we end up with a really cool group of people after the show.
Welcome, you guys. You apparently are Taylor's biggest fans here in Little Rock. We have 14,000 people here, and you are 24 that get to meet Taylor. Taylor sets up a room backstage called the Tea Party Room every day, and she's invited you guys to come back and experience that party, and also she's going to come out and hang down with you. So if you follow us, there's pizza in there, there's sodas, it's like a party. Take something home and enjoy.
We're going to the tea party now. Tea party. We got a lively group in there.
I love screaming, it's my favorite sound.
And so I go back there, the band goes back there after the show, and we all just take pictures and hang out, and I like to keep that close relationship. It's one of the most important relationships that I have with the fans.